Hi, welcome to Shrishek's Gaming, and today we are unboxing Logitech G304 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. I have a G502 Hero mouse for my desktop, but I wanted something portable for my laptop. So let's unbox it. The MRP here is 3795, but I got it from Tata Click. It was some offer. I got it at like 3000 bucks or 2500. This is the Lightspeed wireless mouse, pretty light compared to my G502. It has 9 programmable buttons. This must be the profile switcher. So yeah, this is there, and what we get into the box: Duracell battery, not for sale. Okay, it is written in it that it gives 9 hours on endurance mode. Okay, so this is a receiver extender cable for the receiver. And it is shown how to open it, and a Logitech sticker. So that's about it in the box. So yeah, it comes off easily. Here is the receiver. Okay, let's put it in the cell. Let me set it up and show it to you guys. What are the options available in the Logitech G Hub? So as you can see in my Logitech G Hub, it is showing G304 and it is pretty responsive. Now let's see the options in the G304. It is showing DPI. You can go up to 12,000 DPI in it, and you can customize 4 DPIs profiles as per your preference for the game you are playing. And now let's see what are the key macros. Can we do it? Yep, the key macros are showing. You can program the keys according to the game you are playing and use different profiles for it. So yeah, it's pretty much responsive, this mouse.